Welcome to the session on distance, time and temperature. Time, conversion of years, months, days and weeks. The objectives for this session are learning how to convert years to months, months to days and weeks to days, and vice versa. We will also look at solving real-life problems. In this unit, we will look at examples to illustrate how to convert times from one unit to another. We begin by converting years to months. Let's take a look at our first example. Convert 13 years to months. Pause the video and have a go. Press play when you're ready to view the solutions. So let's solve this. Now 1 year equals 12 months. Therefore 13 years equals 13 times 12 months, which is equal to 156 months. And now for the next example. Pause the video and have a go. Press play when you're ready to view the solution. We are required to convert 15 years and 7 months to months. So let's solve this. Again, 1 year equals 12 months. Therefore, 15 years equals 15 times 12 months, which is equal to 180 months. Therefore, 15 years and 7 months equals 180 months plus 7 months, which equals 187 months. Now let's convert months to years. We're going to take a look at this example. Pause the video and have a go. Press play when you're ready to view the solution. So let's convert 144 months to years. Again, 1 month equals 1/12 of a year. So therefore 144 months equals 144 times 1/12 years, which equals 12 years. Now let's take a look at this example. We are required to convert 89 months to months and years. Pause the video and have a go. Press play when you're ready to view the solution. So let's solve this. Now 1 month equals 1/12 of a year, so 89 months equals 89 times 1/12 years, which equals 89 over 12 years, which equals 7 and 5/12 years. In other words, 7 years and 5 months. Now let's convert months to days. Pause the video and have a go at this example. Press play when you're ready to view the solution. So we're required to convert 8 months to days. So let's solve this. 1 month is approximately equal to 30 days. Therefore, 8 months is approximately equal to 8 times 30 days, which equals 240 days. We now continue to convert months to days. Let's convert 18 months and 12 days to days. Pause the video and have a go. Press play when you're ready to view the solutions. So let's solve this. Again, using the approximation 1 month is approximately equal to 30 days, we have that 18 months is approximately equal to 18 times 30 days, which equals 540 days. Therefore, 18 months and 12 days is approximately equal to 540 days plus 12 days, which equals 552 days. Now convert days to months. Let's convert 450 days to months. Pause the video and have a go. Press play when you're ready to view the solutions. So let's solve this. 1 day is approximately equal to 1 over 30 months. Therefore, 450 days is approximately equal to 450 times 1 over 30 months, which equals 15 months. Let's now take a look at another example converting days to months and days. Pause the video and have a go. Press play when you're ready to view the solutions. So in this example, we are required to convert 763 days to months and days. So let's solve this. Now 1 day is approximately equal to 1 over 30 months. Therefore, 760 days is approximately equal to 763 times 1 over 30 months, which equals 25 and 10 over 30 months. In other words, 25 months and 10 days. Therefore, 763 days is approximately equal to 25 months and 10 days. Now we convert weeks to days. Pause the video and have a go at this example. Press play when you're ready to view the solutions. So we're required to convert 13 weeks to days. So let's solve this. 1 week equals 7 days. So 13 weeks equals 13 times 7 days, which equals 91 days. Now let's take a look at another example. Pause the video and have a go. Press play when you're ready to view the solutions. So we're going to convert 21 weeks and 17 days to days. So let's solve this. 1 week equals 7 days. So 21 weeks equals 21 times 7 days, which equals 147 days. Therefore, 21 weeks and 17 days equals 147 plus 17 days, which is equal to 164 days. And now for the next example. Pause the video and have a go. Press play when you're ready to view the solutions. We are required to convert 175 days to weeks. So let's solve this. 1 day equals 1/7 of a week. Therefore, 175 days equals 175 times 1 over 7 weeks. In other words, 175 over 7 weeks, which equals 25 weeks. Now let's look at another example. We're going to convert days to weeks and days. Pause the video and have a go at this example. Press play when you're ready to view the solutions. We're required to convert 650 days to weeks and days. So let's solve this. Now 1 day equals 1/7 of a week. Therefore, 650 days equals 650 times 1 over 7, which equals 650 over 7, which is 92 and 6/7 weeks. Therefore, 650 days equals 92 weeks and 6 days. We will now turn our attention to real-life examples. Consider the example shown on your screen. Amina is 8 years and 7 months old, and her brother Elia is 3 years and 9 months older than her. What is Elia's age? Pause the video and have a go. Press play when you're ready to view the solution. Now, since we want to find Elia's age, we need to add on how much older than he is onto Amina's age. So let's set this out in a table, as shown here. In the top row, we have Amina's age, which is 8 years and 7 months. And in the second row, we have how much older Elia is as compared to Amina, which is 3 years and 9 months. So we need to add that on to Amina's age in order to find Elia's age. So we add the months first, and therefore we have 7 plus 9 is 16. Since 16 months is 1 year and 4 months, we carry the 1 in the years column and note down the 4 in the months column as shown. And now we add the years. 8 plus 3 plus 1 is 12. Therefore, Elia is 12 years and 6 months old. We will now look at a real-life example involving hours and minutes. Consider this example shown on your screen. Pause the video and have a go. Press play when you're ready to view the solutions. So a train left Multan railway station at 8:45 a.m. It took the train 6 hours and 30 minutes to arrive at Lahore station. At what time did it arrive? So let's solve this. We're going to set this out in a table as we did in the previous example. In the first row, we're going to have the time at which the train left Multan railway station, which was 8:45 as shown. And we're going to add on to that the time it took to arrive at Lahore station, so 6 hours and 30 minutes. If we want to find out the arrival time, we need to add both of these together. So adding the minutes first gives us 45 plus 30 equals 75 minutes. 75 minutes is 1 hour and 15 minutes. So we place the 15 minutes in the column for minutes as shown, and the 1 is carried over in the hours column as shown. And then we add the hours. 8 plus 6 plus 1 is 15. So therefore, the arrival time is 15:15 or 3:15 p.m. We will now look at a real-life example involving minutes and seconds. Consider the example shown on your screen. Pause the video and have a go. Press play when you're ready to view the solution. So a woman took 35 minutes and 15 seconds to reach home from work. If she had to stop at 3 road signals for 1 minute 10 seconds, 2 minutes 35 seconds, and 45 seconds, how much time did she actually spend travelling or in motion? So let's solve this. We're going to again set up a table as we did previously. Here we're going to record the total stopping time at signals. So at the first signal, she stopped for 1 minute and 10 seconds. At the second signal, she stopped for 2 minutes and 35 seconds. And at the third signal, she stopped for 45 seconds. We're now going to add these waiting times up in order to find the total waiting time or stopping time. So we add the seconds first. 10 plus 35 plus 45 equals 90. So 90 seconds is equal to 1 minute and 30 seconds. We leave the 30 seconds in the seconds column and carry the 1 minute over as shown. And now we add the minutes to give 1 plus 2 plus 1 equals 4. Therefore, the total waiting time is 4 minutes and 30 seconds. In order to find the total time she spent travelling or in motion, we need to subtract this from the total time that the woman took to reach home from work. So let's deduct the total waiting time from the time that the woman took to reach home from work. So here we've recorded 35 minutes and 15 seconds minus 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Now, as you can see, 15 minus 30 isn't easily doable, so we need to borrow from the minutes column. If we take 1 minute from the minutes column, we're left with 34 minutes as shown. And the 1 minute when converted into seconds is of course 60 seconds. So we position that in the seconds column. 15 plus this 60 seconds is equal to 75. So now we can subtract 30 from 75. 5 minus 0 is 5, and 7 minus 3 is 4. And subtracting the minutes, 34 minus 4, we have 4 minus 4 is 0, and 3 minus 0 is 3. Therefore, the woman's total travelling time, or time in motion, was 34 minutes and 45 seconds. This brings us to the end of this session. If you have understood its contents, you should be able to convert years to months, months to days, and weeks to days, and vice versa. You should also be able to solve real-life problems. Thank you very much for listening. Now pause the slideshow and have a go at these exercises. Press play when you're ready to view the solutions. So solutions are coming up. And now for exercise 2. Solutions are coming up. And exercise 3, solutions coming up. Exercise 4, solutions coming up. Exercise 5, again, solutions coming up. And finally, exercise 6. Solutions are coming up. Finally, students must also ensure that they can tackle real-life problems from their textbooks. Thank you very much for listening.